Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a charged QC45 and a nearby phone. That gets you to noise canceling fast. Hold the right ear cup switch in the up position to power on. You'll hear a tone. Once powered, press and hold the switch briefly to enter Bluetooth pairing mode if needed, then pair with your device. Make sure your device shows QC45 connected. This confirms audio path. Now that the headset is on and paired, you're ready to change listening modes. Open the Bose Music app and select QuietComfort 45. The app shows noise canceling controls. Tap noise canceling to switch on. Sliders adjust level where available. If you prefer on-device control, press the NC/aware button on the left ear cup. One press toggles between noise canceling and aware modes. Listen for the distinct change in ambient sound. If you notice a hiss or silence, ANC is active. Make adjustments in the app for fine-tuned comfort and maximum isolation. Once noise canceling is on, verify by playing ambient audio or stepping into a noisy area. You should hear reduced background sound. If ANC isn't working, close the app, power off then on, and repair the QC45. This often restores function. Make sure firmware is current in the Bose app because updates fix ANC bugs. If nothing changes, perform a reset by holding the power switch for about 10 seconds, then repair. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.